She stayed up nights for you. She swallowed her fears to calm yours. And now, you worry you can't give her enough. But what if I told you? The greatest gift she wants costs nothing. You don't need money to make your mother proud. You don't need expensive gifts to see her smile. The truth? The greatest joy a mother feels doesn't come from what you buy her. It comes from what you give her. And today, I'll show you the most powerful ways to make your mother happy, even if you have $0. Research shows that mothers value emotional connection more than material gifts. A study from Harvard University found that the happiest families prioritize time, love, and small acts of kindness over money. So, if you want to make your mother truly happy, focus on what really matters. Your time is the most valuable gift, and in this video, we are going to show you how you can use it to make the most important person in your life happy, your mother. And you can also make us happy by giving us a like and follow our channel. This will show us that you support our effort to build a team of good people and to make our world a better place. Let's move on. Spend quality moments with her, ask about her childhood, her dreams, and just listen. A mother's greatest happiness is feeling seen and heard. Words are free but priceless. Write her a letter telling her how much she means to you. Be specific. Mention memories, sacrifices she made, and why you're grateful. This will touch her heart like nothing else. Actions speak louder than words. Surprise her by doing chores she hates, cooking her favorite meal, or fixing something broken. She'll feel loved and appreciated. Brag about her in front of others. Post a tribute online, praise her in front of family, or tell strangers how amazing she is. A mother's pride comes from seeing your pride in her. Does she feel loved through words, touch, acts of service, or quality time? Speak her love language and she'll feel cherished every day. Bring back her joy. Remind her of happy times, watch old photos, recreate childhood memories, or tell silly jokes. Laughter is a gift money can't buy. The ultimate way to make her proud? Live with kindness, work hard, and chase your dreams. A mother's greatest happiness is seeing you happy and thriving. Your mother doesn't measure your love by money. She measures it by the love you show, the respect you give, and the time you share. So start today. Make her smile, make her proud, because no matter what, you are her greatest gift. What's one thing you'll do for your mom today? Comment below.